Hi dear students, this is the fifth lesson about equations and inequalities, and our topic is trial and improvement. As you understand from the first words, sometimes it is not easy to solve the algebraic equations by using known forms. So we are using trial method. Trial method means instead of x, you are going to substitute by some numbers, and you are going to try to see that number, are they going to be equal to 322. So if I have one equation like 2x plus 7, if it's equal to 15, let's say 2x is equal to 15 minus 7, and 2x is equal to 8, it's going to be, which means there is a solution method for this equation, and you are going to say at the end x is equal to 4. Okay, there is a solution method for this one, but there is no clear solution method for this kind of questions, so we are going to use trial method. What does trial mean? Again, I'm repeating. When x is equal to 2, what is the answer of this equation? I mean, what will be the value here when you substitute the values here? When you substitute 2, what is the result? You are going to try to check that one. Or when you substitute by 3, what is the result? You are going to check that one, and you are going to try to catch 322. Let's see. If the equation is x cubed minus 3x, then you are going to try to use this number. Try to substitute 2 cube minus 3 times 2, it's going to be, which is equal to 2 cube is equal to 8. 8 minus 6, it's going to be, which is equal to 2. As you see, this is a very small number that cannot be closer even to 322. So I'm going to try bigger number, like x is equal to 5. Then it's going to be equal to 5 cubed minus 3 times 5, because it is 3 times 5 cubed minus 3 times 5, it's going to be, which is equal to 5 cube is equal to 125, 3 times 5 is equal to 15, then it's equal to 110, it's going to be, and this is also small number now. If I try x is equal to 6, that's equal to 6 cube minus 3 times 6, which is equal to 6 cube is 216. 216 minus 18 it's going to be, which is equal to 198. So this number also doesn't fit. As you see, still it's smaller. Then I'm going to try 7 cube. 7 cube minus 3 times 7, which is equal to 7 cube. If you remember, 343, it's going to be 343 minus 3 times 7 is equal to 21, and it's equal to 322. Yes, bingo, we found the number. So the solution is 7. X is equal to 7 is going to be. So the trial method means this one. Let me solve another question to understand better. Here, the area of the rectangle is 72 centimeters square. Use trial and improvement to find the value of x correct to 1 decimal place. So actually there's no integer here like in the previous page. So we are going to use this method again, and we are going to multiply the area. If you remember, area is equal to area of the rectangle. Rectangle was equal to base times height it was, so which is equal to x plus 5 times x, it's going to be, which is equal to, I think this is better to write like this, times 5, which is equal to x squared plus 5x. So I'm going to try to guess x squared plus 5x, and I'm going to start to estimate the number with 6. I'm going to substitute the 6 by this function, which is equal to 6 squared plus 5 times 6. It's going to be, that's equal to 36 plus 30, which is equal to 66. It's going to be, if we continue like this here, it's the next number will be, and by the way, 66 is less than 72, and if it is 7, then 7 square plus 5 times 7, it's going to be 5 times 6 I wrote, sorry, 5 times 7, which is equal to 7 square 49, 5 times 7 is equal to 35, which is equal to 84, and 84 is greater than 72. So this is important. So x square plus 5x is between 6 and 7. It's going to be, so I'm trying one number decimal place like 6.3. let me try 6.3. I will try here. I will try 6.3 and I will see that, or I will try 6.2. I will try 6.2, which is closer to 6, because it seems that 72 is more closer to 6. That's why I'm using 72 between 66 and 84, and this is more closer to 6, it seems, on the solution part. So 6.2 square, it's going to be 6.2 square plus 5 times 6.2, it's going to be, I'm going to use calculator for this one, and here you are going to see, which is equal to 6.2 square plus here plus 5 times 6.2, which is equal to 69.44, and this is less than 72, still less than 72. And here 6.3, I'm going to try 6.3 is equal to 6.3 square plus 5 times 6.3, it's going to be, and I'm going to find again by using the calculator this one here, 6.3 square plus 6.3 times 5, it's going to be, the answer is 71.19, which is less than 71.19, it's going to be, and it is still less than 72. So when I get one number that is greater, I'm going to understand that it is going to be between. So I'm going to try 6.4, and 6.4 square, which is very closer to 72. I think 7.4 square, it's going to be more than, plus 5 times 6.4, it's going to be here 5 times 6.4, which is equal to here. I'm going to do the operation again by using calculator. 6.4 square and plus 6.4 times 5, it's going to be again, and it's equal to 72.96. So it is more than 72. So the answer is between 6.3 and 6.4. I can guess the number like this because I'm asking for one decimal place. So which one it's going to be, 6.3 or 6.4? Which one it should be? I'm checking like this: 71.19 and 72.96. The distance between 71.19, it is 81 unit. Here 72.96, it's going to be 96 units. So 81 unit is less than, so it is more closer to 6.3. That's why the answer is going to be 6.3, so x is approximately, it's equal to 6.3. We are going to say